Small powers, big dreams. Vegetables help you each day.
Maybe not with things like flying, zoom zooms,
but definitely in other ways.
Broccoli makes you grow so tall, like a tree up to the sky. Carrots give you super seeing eyes, night vision bright and spry. Tomatoes keep your heart so strong, boom, boom, with happy pride.
Spinach gives you jumping power,
Up so high and wide.
sweet corn makes you speedy fast.
Whoosh as you run by.
Cucumber keeps your throat so cool.
Helps you sing a sweet, smooth line.
There are so many veggie powers,
Ooh,
and this is just the beginning. Try a tiny bite, buds can shift each day. When they twist and wiggle helps buds learn to play.
steam, boil, bake.
Change how it's made, each new bite they find a new way.
Roast, grill, poke.
Don't rush to say no,
Try them all first.
then it's fine to say
I don't know. Simmer, saute.
don't skip cauliflower.
Is today the day? Let's get those powers. Broccoli makes you grow so tall, like a tree up to the sky. Carrots give you super seeing eyes, night vision bright and spry. Tomatoes keep your heart so strong, boom, boom, with happy pride. Spinach gives you jumping power, up so high and wide. Sweet corn makes you speedy fast, whoosh as you run by. Cucumber keeps your throat so cool, helps you sing a sweet, smooth line. There are so many vegetable powers, and this is just the beginning. So munch your colors, hum your song, let your true powers lead along. Vegetable hero, yes, it's me.